Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Bodycam Watch. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. What begins as a traffic stop over an illegal left turn quickly puts officers in a changing environment where every decision can influence what happens next. Let's see how this roadside stop unfolds. The breakdown starts now.
I'm bored. Can you see? Let me see your driver's license. I pulled you over because you came out of Metro West and you crossed the median when you're not supposed to, and there's a sign there that clearly says "Do not enter." Driver's license.
What says do not enter?
Driver's license.
What says do not enter?
Driver's license.
Show me what says do not enter.
Call 47. Can I get a couple for rides?
Now you're doing too much.
The officer starts with a routine request for a driver's license, but her immediate reaction suggests this stop may not stay routine. Officers pay close attention to that early shift because first impressions often shape what happens next.
I got to wear it.
Driver's license, please.
I don't have it.
You don't have it?
Nope.
All right, shut off the car. Shut off the car.
For what?
If you don't listen to my order, I'm going to detain you in handcuffs. Shut off the car now.
Okay, go ahead.
She's been given several clear commands but continues refusing to comply. That changes the officer's options, and they're now moving closer to physically removing her from the vehicle to regain control of the stop.
I'm pregnant, and I'm pregnant, so
Okay,
you touch
step
me.
out, step out now,
Please.
step out.
No.
Stop resisting,
No.
stop resisting,
Hey,
stop
no,
resisting,
I'm pregnant.
stop resisting. Okay, stop resisting, stop resisting.
Officers are now pulling her from the vehicle after repeated commands went unanswered. She says she's pregnant, and officers will need to balance that information with safely bringing the stop under control. Earlier compliance could have reduced the need for physical intervention.
Stop resisting.
Leave me alone.
Stop resisting.
I got her. Y'all better leave me alone.
Get the
Because I didn't do
Get the
nothing.
seatbelt.
It's not on.
It's not on, it's not on.
Y'all better leave me alone.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop
Who y'all
resisting.
taking me out for what?
Stop resisting.
what?
Because you're resisting a lawful order.
Resisting for what? I didn't do
Step out of the car.
nothing.
Step out of the car.
She's finally out of the vehicle, but her behavior remains confrontational. If she is pregnant, officers have even more reason to bring the scene under control quickly while limiting the risk of anyone getting hurt.
Bro, I'm gonna punch y'all in your face because y'all doing too much. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, I promise y'all. Because I didn't do nothing.
Stop.
Oh! Ma'am. No, because I didn't do nothing wrong. I don't
Stop resisting.
She continues resisting, and the focus has now shifted from a traffic violation to gaining control of the arrest. What began as a relatively simple stop is becoming a more serious incident.
Resisting. Stop. Resisting.
You're hurting my arm. You're hurting
Stop
my
resisting.
arm.
Over here.
You're hurting my
Stop
arm.
resisting.
Hey!
Now you get charged with resisting with violence.
Her continued resistance is making the arrest more difficult. If that behavior continues, officers are likely to use additional physical control techniques to bring the situation under control safely.
Stop. 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 Stop resisting. Stop. Stop. Stop resisting. Stop.
If she is pregnant, this level of resistance increases the risk during an already physical arrest. The sooner officers can gain control, the sooner they can reduce the chance of someone getting hurt.
Stop resisting.
You're hurting my arm. Stop it.
Listen. Stop resisting.
Get in your face.
Do it. No.
Stay back. No.
Oh, Jesus, too.
Let me down. Let me go.
She continues resisting, and officers appear to be reaching the point where they'll need to use additional control techniques. Their priority now is ending the resistance and bringing the arrest under control as safely as possible.
Do you guys want to hear that?
Yep. Now hold it. Stop. Stop resisting. Stop.
Let go of my leg.
Stop.
I can walk. Let go of my leg. I can walk.
Stop resisting. Stop.
Why y'all holding me like
Stop
this?
resisting.
Let go of my leg. I can f***ing walk.
Stop.
Officers had to physically move her to the patrol car after she continued resisting. The next few moments will determine whether the arrest finally settles down or continues to escalate.
Let go of my leg. I can walk.
Stop.
Hey, you guys are pushing on my
Stop.
stomach. Let go
Stop.
of my leg. I can You up.
Stop.
Let go of my leg.
Stop.
Pause and wait.
37, 038, you guys want a 43?
No. We are 10-4. We haven't checked out.
She was taken into custody after officers gained control and completed the arrest. According to the case outcome, she was charged with assault on law enforcement officers, battery on law enforcement officers, and resisting with violence. This case shows how refusing repeated commands can quickly turn a routine traffic stop into a far more serious incident. What are your thoughts on how this encounter unfolded? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Alright, that's the end of today's breakdown. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments, how do you think this situation went down? Did the officers handle it the right way, or would you have done something differently? If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next Bodycam breakdown.